the frozen margarita. This wonderful cocktail originated in Mexico and is a variation on the classic margarita. Because it is blended with ice, and it is better known than the classic margarita served straight up. Many claim to have invented the margarita, which is Spanish for daisy, and its origin is still unclear. It is a sour, party-starting drink and is often enjoyed at the beach or pool. In this lesson, we'll be learning about the ingredients in a frozen margarita and the method used to make one. Let's deal with the ingredients first. You will need crushed ice, lime juice, tequila, and triple sec. Now that we know what we'll be using to make the frozen margarita, let's see how to make it. Step 1. Crush ice before service begins. This is an important step for this cocktail because it will be going into a blender. If the ice is not crushed, the ice cubes will damage the blades of the blender. Also, crushing ice during service will disturb your guests and take up precious time. Step 2. Fetch a coupe glass. Step 3. Add 1 measure of lime juice to the blender. Step 4. Add 2 measures of tequila to the blender. Step 5. Add 1 measure of triple sec to the blender. Step 6. Add 1½ scoops of crushed ice to the blender. Step 7. Blend the ingredients until it has a smooth consistency. The amount of crushed ice that you use will depend on the size of your scoop. As a team, make this cocktail in advance so that you can taste the cocktail and agree on a standard amount of ice that your bar will use. Step 8. While the ice mixture is being blended, rub lime around the outside of the coupe glass. Do this just halfway around the glass on the edge. We only put salt around half the glass so that the guest can choose if they want to enjoy it with the salt or not. Step 9. Lightly sprinkle salt over the area which you covered in lime juice. Step 10. Using the bar spoon, check that the flavor and consistency of the cocktail is perfect. Step 11. Empty the contents of the blender into a glass. Step 12. Add a straw to the glass. Step 13. Garnish the drink with a lime wheel. And Step 14. Serve the frozen margarita. To recap this recipe, let's go through the steps again quickly. Step 1. Ice. Step 2. Coupe. Step 3. Lime. Step 4. Tequila. Step 5. Triple sec. Step 6. Crushed ice. Step 7. Blend. Step 8. Rub lime. Step 9. Salt. Step 10. Taste. And Step 11. Pour drink. Step 12. Straws. Step 13. Garnish. And Step 14. Serve. Well done on finishing this lesson on the frozen margarita.